Don't drive distracted. Eyes forward. It only takes a second for a distraction like looking at a cell phone video to turn into tragedy.
Not every incident ends okay like that one. In 2022, almost 4,000 people were killed in traffic crashes involving distracted drivers, and almost 300,000 people were injured.
Put your cell phone away while driving. It's not worth the risk of injuring yourself or someone else. Those few seconds just aren't worth it. Eyes forward, not checking your hair in the mirror, or checking your homework, or your coffee order.
Keep your eyes forward, get to school safely, and keep others safe.